To get started with your Wells Fargo Active Cash Card, first apply for the card through the Wells Fargo website or by visiting a branch. Once you are approved, you will receive your card in the mail within a few days. Activate your card by calling the phone number provided or through the Wells Fargo online platform. Next, download the Wells Fargo mobile app to manage your account, track your spending, and set up alerts. The app allows you to monitor your account activity, pay your bill, and even freeze your card if it is lost or stolen. To earn cash rewards, use your Active Cash Card for all your daily purchases. You will earn unlimited 2% cash rewards on purchases, with no rotating categories or spending limits. This means you can earn cash back on everything from groceries and gas to dining and entertainment. To redeem your rewards, log into your account through the Wells Fargo website or mobile app. You can redeem your cash rewards for statement credits, direct deposits, or gift cards. You can also set up automatic redemptions, so your rewards are redeemed at a set threshold, such as every time you earn $100 in rewards. In addition to earning cash rewards, the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card also offers a 0% introductory APR on purchases and balance transfers for a promotional period. This means you can save money on interest and pay down your debt faster. To get the most out of your Wells Fargo Active Cash Card, make sure to pay your bill on time and in full each month to avoid interest charges. You should also monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions and report them to Wells Fargo immediately. By following these steps and using your Wells Fargo Active Cash Card responsibly, you can earn unlimited cash rewards, save money on interest, and enjoy a range of other benefits and perks. Remember to always read the terms and conditions of your card agreement and reach out to Wells Fargo customer service if you have any questions or concerns.